Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Alexia.
And Riley.
Bringing your morning announcements.
On WDMS News.
Today is Wednesday, April 27, 2016, A-Day. Today in history.
Here's a look at this day in history. April 27th.
In 1822, the Union Civil War general and 18th President Ulysses S. Grant was born in Point Pleasant, Ohio. On this day in 1937, the very first Social Security checks were mailed out. In 2005, President Vladimir Putin became the first Russian head of state to visit Israel. And on this day in 4977 BC, the universe was created. Not really, but that's what renowned 17th century German astronomer Johann Kepler believed. But when it came to calculating the exact date of the Big Bang, he was off by about 13.7 billion years. And that's this day in history.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the DMS Pledge. Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and my community.
Please be seated. Now here is Melina with today's weather. We have no weather now.
Will begin their second round of playoffs Friday against the Pittsburgh Penguins. Sadly, the Orioles lost yesterday against the Tampa Bay Rays. Now they only have half a game left in their division. Now back to you, Riley and Alexia.
Thank you, Melina. Now for the word of the day. The topic for this week's words of the day is the root word Luke and loom, which means light. Today our word is translucent. The lampshades are translucent but not transparent. Can you determine what translucent means? Once again, what says translucent? Today our word is transparent. Can you determine what transparent means? Once again, today's word of the day is transparent. Miss Bullock has 5 extra yearbooks. If you're interested in purchasing one, please see her in room 106, first come, first serve.
Here's a message from our recycling crew.
Hi everybody, this is Destiny to tell you that today is Recycling Day. The recycling crew will be around after the 7th grade lunch to collect your recycling cans. So teachers, please place your cans in the hallway. Students, don't forget to recycle your cans, bottles, and papers. Thank you and have a great day.
Recycling crew, stay Smith.
No. Here's a message from math homework helpers.
Hey, Dundalk Middle! Hey, woo! This is Cal and Max from Math Homework Helpers.
Yeah, and we are here to help you with your math homework. All you have to do is give us a call every Wednesdays from 4:30 to 5:30. Stop doing that.
I got an itch.
No, don't do that. It's very unprofessional. Call us. And the number is
410-494-1459.
Yeah, we help you with your math homework and you win prizes. Give us a call. I gotta take count of the bet. Let's go. Come on, Ben. Come on. Here we go.
Good morning from Dundalk Middle School. This is Riley with a few words of wisdom. When was the last time you saw a rainbow? It's a wonderful thing, isn't it? And always a surprise, like receiving a gift you weren't expecting. But if you think about it, what has to happen before you see a rainbow? It has to rain, right? Now listen to these words from the American entertainer Dolly Parton. The way I see it, if you want the rainbow, you gotta put up with the rain. So if you have a beautiful dream or goal in life, remember this. Don't be surprised if you have to put up with a few thunderstorms along the way. Keep at it and wait for the rainbow. Something to think about this is Riley. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. So here's Mr. Barish.
Morning, Team DMS. Hope everyone had an enjoyable day off yesterday, and hopefully your parents, family members were out and voting in the primary election. Wanted to remind students that today begins our park assessment. We want to wish all of our sixth graders who will be taking park today the best of luck. You'll be taking the math section of park in sixth grade. All students who are taking the park assessment, and this is an opportunity to showcase all that you've learned throughout the course of this year. Please go into the test confident. Make sure you proofread your work, take your time, and again, all that we ask is that you put forth your best effort. Make sure all of you sixth graders who are testing have had your breakfast today. You want to make sure also as we go through testing, this is for 6th, 7th, and 8th graders, that you take an opportunity to be well rested. That means you're not FaceTiming or Snapchatting or doing all those other things that you do till 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. Really try to get a good night's sleep because, again, this assessment, park assessment, is the state mandated test. We use this to examine your placements and the upcoming courses that you're taking for next year. It also gives us a sense to how our students are doing regarding the teaching instructional program at Dundalk Middle School and the learning. So again, students, it's very important that you put forth the best effort. So I'll say it again. What time is it? Park time. Again, students, it starts with bringing your A game to school every day, coming to school with a positive attitude, being here, demonstrating excellent attendance, and applying yourself. And as part of Team DMS, we'll do whatever it takes to educate and inspire you to become a globally competitive graduate. What is going to separate you from others? It starts with what you do today will impact who you are tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Now back to Alexia and Riley.
This is Alexia.
Excuse me. And Riley, have a wonderful Wednesday. And Miss Gibson would like to remind teachers testing this morning, students have to restart the computers and devices before beginning.